This is Samsung Galaxy S24, and today I'll show how you can use the Note Assist feature on this device. So to start, let's launch the Notes app. Here, open the text that you would like to, use the Notes Assist on. So I have this US Constitution here. Then select what text you would like to summarize. Once the respected text is selected, tap at this AI option here. Then choose the Summarize option. And now wait for this piece of text to be summarized. And here are your bullet points. You can also switch the summary style between standard and detailed. So in the detailed style, it will provide you with more details in your summary, obviously. And from here you can either add this summary as the notes page, separate notes page, or as a new note entirely, or you can just copy it and paste whatever you feel like pasting it into another note, for example. So I guess that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.